Hi folks, in today's video tutorial I'm going to show you how to work with flexible modeling. The flexible modeling is useful if somebody creates a model and then it's really hard to edit. For example, here you can see the example that somebody creates the whole feature based on the chamfer feature. Or flexible modeling you can reuse for imported geometry and repairing this geometry. You can select the surface and then you can use the auto collection as a boss, bosses, or cut or cuts. And then you can use the function for move and move with arrows or dragger, and the system allows to you to set up new position. You can see here that only one time at the end, if you select the edge, for example, the system allows to you to use dimensions. So I prefer to use the auto collection, for example, for the cuts, and then move with dimensions. So over here you can see that it's possible to select two references and system automatically measure the new value, and you can set up the new value for the placement of, for example, for the hole. Select the second references and set up new dimensions. Confirm and it's done. Over here is the add-on information that if you have a, for example, shell, you need to select the cuts and then don't forget to spin the model and select the bosses, because you would like to select all surfaces which would like to move. So right now, quick example that if you select the all surfaces correctly, then you can use the move feature with flexible modeling. Yeah, everything's done. The another example is how to collect the boss or bosses, surfaces, and then use the function move using constraints. You can see here that over there is the function for the placement, and you can select the surface from the geometry and from the collector, and then set up again the new value. So select the moving geometry, for example this surface, and reference surface, set up new value. If you would like to move it up and down, so it's necessary to select references, so for example this surface and parallel surface from the bottom, for example, the system will make measurements and set up whole value what you need. It was really quick example how to use the move function with flexible modeling. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Vladimir.